Let's make some homemade paneer tikka. First of all, we'll make the marinade. Here I have taken 400 grams of fresh curd. Now here we have 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder and then 2 teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and then juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon of kasturi methi. And then we'll mix these all ingredients together to make a paste kind. After mixing, let's whisk. Now here I have taken small pieces of capsicum, and then on the capsicum layer you can put some onions. It should be peeled like so. Now here we'll take 2 tablespoons of besan flour and then corn flour, that is 1 tablespoon, and whisk it together so there are no lumps in it. Now let's go to the paneer. I have taken 500 grams of paneer. So we'll cut it into small cubes. Let's place these little cute cubes that are paneer cubes, what we cut just now. We'll place them over the capsicums. Now let's pour the mixture that we have done and kept it aside over the paneer, the last layer. Let's keep the paneer aside so it gets marinated. Now, over that time, we'll make the green chutney for the paneer tikka. Here we'll need some coriander leaves, mint leaves. I have taken both mixed together here. Now here we have 2 green chilies. And then after that we have some onions. And then ginger garlic paste. We'll grind them together to make the chutney for the paneer tikka. When you're halfway there, add some curd. Now we'll add some chaat masala and then half a lemon. Let's grind all the ingredients together so it makes the perfect chutney. Yummy! See how perfect the green chutney looks? It will taste more better with the paneer. Now let's grill the paneer. Guys, it tastes amazing.